Skilled trades career, union or non-union in 2025? Union or non-union? That's the million-dollar question in the trades right now. And I mean that literally, because your choice could cost you or make you $1 million over your career. I've been on both sides of the fence, spent a decade and a half grinding in the sheet metal union, started as a green apprentice who didn't know a duct from the hole in the wall, worked my way up, running crews as a foreman. Then I jumped ship, went non-union, started my own HVAC contracting business 15 years ago. So yeah, I've got some opinions. And today, I'm spilling all of it. The good, the bad, and the stuff nobody wants to say out loud. Before we get started, smash that like button, subscribe. All right, let's get into it. Let's get started with unions, because here's the thing. Unions get a bad rap, and they get worshipped like they're perfect. The truth? It's complicated. I joined the Sheet Metal Workers Union when I was in my 20s. Thought I was set, and in a lot of ways, I was. The training? Incredible. These programs are no joke. We're talking real apprenticeship. You learn from guys who've been bending metal since before we're born. The pay? Also incredible. Union scale wages are typically 20% to 30% higher than non-union. We're talking 35 to 65 plus an hour depending on your trade and location. As a journeyman in a major city, you could be pulling 70K to 120K plus easy. And the benefits? This is where it gets really good. Health insurance, dental, vision, pension, and annuity. Most union workers have better benefits than doctors, lawyers, and tech bros. I'm serious. Your employer pays into your pension while you're working. You retire with actual money waiting for you. Not a maybe if the stock market doesn't crash situation. But here's what they don't tell you in the union hall. The politics. Oh man, the politics. You think your family Thanksgiving dinner is awkward? Try being a union meeting where guys are screaming about who gets what job. Seniority rules everything. You could be the best sheet metal worker in the state, but if old Jerry has been there 30 years and wants your job, guess what? Jerry gets it. You're stuck doing whatever's left. And the work, it could be feast or famine. When the times are good, you're working 60 plus hours a week. Double time on Sundays. Printing money. When the economy tanks, you're on the bench, which is union speak for unemployed, but still paying dues. Yeah, you still gotta pay even when you're not working. Luckily, I was not out of work during my time with the union. But I did see guys around go to the bench and stay on the bench for months in slower times. So I did what a lot of guys do. I went non-union and started my own HVAC contracting company. That was 15 years ago. Best decision I ever made. Maybe. Worst decision I ever made. Also, maybe. I told you this was complicated. Here's the deal with going non-union. Freedom. You work when you want, where you want, for who you want. You're not waiting for the hall to send you to a job. You're not dealing with union stewards breathing down your back. You negotiate your own pay, your own hours, your own projects. And if you go the contractor route, like me, the money can be insane. I'm talking 150 to 500K plus a year if you build it right. Some guys are doing 7 figures. You keep what you earn. No union dues, no pension contributions you don't control. But this is a big but. You're on your own. No safety net. Health insurance? That's coming out of your own pocket. And it ain't cheap. We're talking $800 to $1,500 a month for a family. Retirement? Better hope you're disciplined enough to set money aside. Most non-union guys aren't. I've seen so many talented trade people hit 60 years old with nothing saved, living paycheck to paycheck because they never planned. And the pay, while you control it, can be all over the map. Non-union wages range from $20 to $50 per hour. Could be 40K or 100K a year, depending on your hustle and your market. Some guys make bank. Others barely survive. Look, whether you go union or non-union, you got to pick a trade first. And that's where a lot of people get stuck. HVAC, plumbing, electrical, construction management. How do you even know what's right for you? Hey everyone, if you're having some trouble deciding what career trade to choose, check out Course Careers. Talk to Coura. This is Course Careers' new AI career counselor. Coura will help you decide if HVAC, plumbing, electrical, construction project managing, construction estimating, architectural drafting, and supply chain coordinator fits your goals. And then you could start the free intro course it suggests, just like students across multiple industries have used to break into high-paying careers fast without any experience or college degree. The intro course will show you exactly what the job is like day to day and teach you how to get hired within 4 to 12 weeks. I'll leave the link in my description and pinned in the comments below for you to check out. All right, let's talk skills, because whether you're union or non-union, you need the same basics. I've got 29 years in this game, nearly 3 decades of ductwork, furnaces, and telling people their AC died because they never changed their filter. And I can tell you exactly what separates the pros from the pretenders. Technical skills. You got to know your trade, obviously. Can you read blueprints? Do you understand load calculations? Can you troubleshoot a system without just replacing random parts and hoping for the best? This stuff takes time. 4 to 5 years of apprenticeship for most trades. That's classroom work and on-the-job training. But here's what they don't teach you in the schools. Soft skills, communication, problem solving, not being a jerk to customers. I've let go technicians because they couldn't talk to homeowners without sounding like a condescending robots. Nobody cares how smart you are if you make them feel stupid. Customer service is half the job. Business skills, if you go contractor route, accounting, marketing, hiring, firing, dealing with insurances, dealing with lawyers. It's not just showing up and swinging a hammer anymore. You're running a business. Most tradespeople, we suck at this part, myself included in the beginning. Then I got better year after year.
Hey, quick break here. If you're interested in a free course on getting into the trades, then click this link below.
You want to know what you're really going to make? Let's break it down. Union wages. Entry-level apprentice, $18 to $25 per hour. That's $35K to $50K a year. Mid-level journeyman, $35 to $55 plus per hour. You're looking at $70K to $110K plus. Top tier foreman or specialty work, $50 to $75 per hour. That's $100K to $150K plus easy, plus benefits, worth another $15 to $25 plus per hour. Do the math. A union journeyman's total compensation package could be $120K to $140K plus when you factor everything in. Non-union wages, more variable. Entry level, $20 to $25 plus per hour. Maybe $30K to $50K plus. Experienced tradesperson, $35 to $50 plus per hour. That's $70K to $110K plus. But if you start your own contracting business, sky is the limit. I know HVAC contractors doing $200K to $1 million plus in revenue. After expenses, they're taking home $100 to $500K plus. Plumbing, even better. Those emergency calls are at 2 a.m., $300 plus an hour a pop. Electrical, commercial electrician contractors can clear $400K to $800K plus in revenue with the right clients. The difference is you control the ceiling. Union, your ceiling is set by the contract. Non-union contractors, your ceiling is set by your hustle. So how do you actually get into these trades? The union path. If you want to work for somebody most of your career and don't care about becoming a contractor, then going union would be your better path for you. Find your local union hall. Google your trade, union, local, your city. Apply for their apprenticeship program. You'll need a high school diploma or GED usually. Take an aptitude test, pass an interview. If you get in, congrats. You're getting paid to learn. Apprenticeships are usually 4 to 5 years. You'll work full time and take classes at night or on weekends. The non-union path. Find a contractor who's hiring. Seriously, just start calling. Most small companies are desperate for help. Start as a helper. Learn on the job. Take trade school classes at night, online, like Course Careers, if you want to speed things up. Get your license and certifications as you go. In 3 to 5 years, you could be running your own jobs. In 5 to 10 years, you could be running your own company. My honest advice, if you're young and don't know what you want yet, go union. Get the training, the benefits, learn from some of the best. Then if you want to go on non-union later, like 10 to 15 years later, you'll have real skills and a pension building in the background. If you're younger or older, have some experience or no experience, and want to build something, like become a contractor, go non-union. Take the risk. Build the business. Control your destiny. There's no wrong answer, only wrong for you. Here's what I wish someone told me at 20. This industry will break you if you let it. Your back, your knees, your shoulders. I'm 50 now. I feel every stupid decision I made in my 20s. Lifting that unit myself because I was too proud to ask for help. Feel it every morning. Skipping knee pads because I wanted to look tough. My knees remind me I was an idiot. Take care of your body. Stretch. Lift properly. Wear the safety gear even when it's not cool. Because you know what's really not cool? Being 45 and unable to play golf because your back is destroyed. Mental health. This work is hard. Long hours. Weather extremes. Demanding customers. If you're union and the work dries up, the stress is real. If you're non-union and running a business, the stress is different, but just as real. Take care of your mind too. Talk to people. Don't bottle it up. The tough guy act? Nobody's impressed. But you know what? Despite the hard parts, the career gave me everything. I bought my first house at 29. Union wages and benefits made that possible. I built a business that supports my family. Non-union freedom made that possible. I've met some of the best people on the job sites, union and non-union. Guys who'd give you the shirt off their back. Women who could outwork anyone. Younger kids with fire in their eyes. This industry, it's real. You make things, you fix things. You help people. When someone's AC dies in July and it's 95 degrees, you're the hero that showed up. When a new building goes up and changes a skyline, you built that. There's pride in that work that no office job can touch. The future? The trades aren't dying, they're booming. We need 650,000 new tradespeople by 2027 just to keep up with demand. That's job security. That's an opportunity. That's your chance to write your own ticket. Union or non-union, doesn't matter. What matters is you showing up, you working hard, you keep learning. Do that, you'll never struggle to find work. Look, I can't tell you whether union or non-union is right for you, but I can tell you this. The trades need you. Whatever path you choose, union hall or your own hustle, there's a place for you here. I spent 14 years in the sheet metal union. Learned everything from guys who forgot more than I'll ever know. Then I spent 15 years building my own HVAC business. Created something that'll outlast me. Both paths taught me different things. Both paths have value. 29 years in, I wouldn't change a thing. Well, except maybe I'd wear some knee pads. Seriously, wear your knee pads. If this video helped you, smash that like button. If you want more unfiltered trade career advice, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And before I go, why did the HVAC technician break up with his partner? Because they had too many issues with the commitment. And the relationship just needed more refrigerant to stay cool. Get it? Refrigerant? I'll see myself out. Peace out.